Welcome to AI Basics for Non-Engineers. My name is Ashley, and I'm the owner of Rocky Phoenix AI. I'm happy that you've joined me today on this short but powerful intro to AI. About me, I spent over 100 hours earning 6 AI certifications. I'm going to cut through all the hype and give you exactly what you need to know to start using AI effectively today. By the end of these few minutes, you'll understand what AI actually is, how to communicate with it effectively, and most importantly, how to avoid its pitfalls. Let's dive in and start to AI-proof your career today. First, let's demystify what AI actually is. AI is growing so fast, there is a ton of information to process at once. AI is essentially very sophisticated pattern recognition. It's not magic, it's not sentient, and it's not going to take over the world next Tuesday. It's a tool that's incredibly good at finding patterns and using those patterns to help you write better emails, analyze data, or generate ideas. Let's get into the most powerful way to use AI. Prompting. Prompting is how you communicate with AI, and it's absolutely critical to getting good results. The difference between a vague prompt and a specific one is the difference between frustration and success. This is how you become a power user. Instead of saying, "Help me with email," try write a professional email declining the 3 p.m. meeting, but offering Tuesday at 2 p.m. instead. See the difference? Here are 5 business prompts that actually work in the real world. First, summarize this report in 3 bullet points for my manager. Second, rewrite this email to sound more confident and direct. Third, create a project timeline with 5 key milestones. Fourth, draft talking points for a team meeting. And fifth, turn these rough notes into a professional client proposal. The key principle is simple. Specific instructions get specific results. Every single time. Now for the critical warning you need to hear. AI hallucinations. This is when AI confidently states false information as if it's fact. Common hallucinations include made-up statistics, fake company names, invented research studies, and wrong dates. So how do you beat them? Here we go. Here are 5 useful strategies. First, always verify facts, especially statistics and dates. Second, ask for sources. Where did this information come from? Third, use AI for drafts and brainstorming, not final decisions on important matters. Fourth, cross-reference critical information with multiple sources. And fifth, trust but verify, especially for anything involving data, legal advice, or financial information. Remember, AI is incredibly helpful, but it's not always accurate. Know the difference, and you'll be fine. Let's talk about the AI tools you'll actually use in your day-to-day work. There are 3 categories that matter. GPTs, or Generative Pre-trained Transformers. This includes ChatGPT, Claude, and Google's Gemini. I am sure you have all used these. Second, Image AI. Tools like DALL-E and Midjourney that create visuals and graphics from text descriptions. And third, specialized AI that's already built into your existing tools, like Gmail's Smart Compose, LinkedIn's recommendations, or the predictive text on your phone. Bonus, this presentation was made in Claude and then generated in HeyGen with my AI avatar, because I hate being on camera. Now let's get practical. This is what you're really here for. How can AI help me today? Here's exactly how to get started with AI in your first week. Days 1 and 2. Sign up for either free ChatGPT or Claude accounts if you have not already. Start with simple requests like summarize this email or write a professional response to this message. Days 3 and 4. Practice being specific with your prompts. Remember what we learned about prompting. Instead of saying, "Help me write," try, Write a 2-paragraph email declining a meeting but offering alternative times. Days 5 through 7. Find one repetitive work task and figure out how to automate it with AI. The key principle here is simple. The best way to learn AI is to actually use AI. Before you dive in, here are the critical do's and don'ts that will keep you safe and successful. On the do side, be specific in your requests. We'll cover this extensively in the prompting masterclass lesson. Practice with low-stakes tasks first. Don't start with your most important project. And share successful prompts with your team. When you find something that works, spread the wealth. And on the don't side, never share confidential company data. These AI systems learn from inputs. Don't trust AI for life-changing decisions. It's a tool, not an oracle. Don't expect it to read your mind. Be explicit about what you want. Don't use it for legal or medical advice. Leave that to the professionals. And don't assume the first response is perfect. Iteration is your friend. Remember, AI amplifies good judgment. It doesn't replace it. All right, let's wrap this up with your concrete action plan. This week, use AI for 3 different work tasks. While this is a primer, there's still a lot to learn to become your team's AI hero. To help you gain the most from AI, the next lessons are AI job skills, prompting masterclass, Google Gemini, and MS Copilot for work. Our premium courses include how to leverage your free time after implementing AI, AI for HR, and ethics and legal considerations for AI. Again, thank you for learning with me today. Not only am I providing hands-on, easy-to-follow training on AI, Rocky Phoenix also offers other services to enhance your team. I am able to create your team its very own custom GPT for ChatGPT Plus Pro users. Enhanced Pro Prompt Packs. I made the prompts so you don't have to play around and save even more time. And I create custom AI automations, like my hiring manager intake form that takes a job description and intake, and gives you a detailed calibration and Boolean X-ray search string in less than 2 minutes, saving your team valuable hours to focus on strategy. Let's stay connected. Contact me at ashleyh@rockyphoenixai.com. Please feel free to let your friends and colleagues know about our services. Thank you, and let's help your team rise.